Everything in your life right now is determined by what your mind finds safe and familiar. Your mind finds safety in the current state of your body because it learned from every confirmation that this is what is most familiar. This exercise will help you create a new safety zone so your mind can begin to feel safe in a healthy body and a healthy lifestyle. And remember, anything you can hold in your mind, you can hold in your hands. Let's begin. Find a comfortable place where you can either sit or lay down. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Your body has nowhere else to be but here, in the most relaxed state. I am going to count from 10, and with each count, you will take a step down a gorgeous staircase in front of you to deep relaxation. Your body is now sinking deeper and deeper into the relaxation. As I begin to count 10, your body suddenly becomes light, and 9. You feel the circulating, tingling sensation running through your body. 8. Each and every muscle, tissue, cell, and organ in your body becoming more relaxed. 7. You're becoming very relaxed. 6. 5. You feel the energy flowing through your body even more. 4. Your body is becoming lighter and lighter down to 3. 2. Your body is completely light and all you can hear is my voice. 1. As you take the last step on the staircase, you step into a gorgeous field, a place of complete calm, beauty, and peace. You feel safe here. You feel at home. You see green fields in front of you, trees at the distance to the right of you, trees at the distance to the left of you, and mountains in front of you. As you begin to smell the blossoming flowers and hear the birds in the distance, you see a path in front of you. Begin to walk towards this path. And with each and every step you take, you are even more relaxed than you were before. And as you walk down this path, you begin to see something faint in the distance, something out of ordinary in this field. As you walk closer, your body relaxes even deeper. And you finally begin to see an outline at the distance. And it's a large mirror. The mirror is so large, it's something you've never seen before. And it has a gorgeous gold rim around it. And as you walk up to it, you begin to see a faint image in the reflection of the mirror. As you get closer, you begin to feel an unmistakable glow coming out of this image in the mirror. And finally, you step towards it and you see yourself. But there's something different about you. There's one thing in your life has dramatically changed. You are seeing yourself like this for the very first time. And there is just one thing in your life has resolved, just one thing, and only you know what it is. It could be your health, your weight, your body, your relationships, your wealth, just one thing, and you already know what it is. There is no need to force anything. It is just perfect. And for a moment, I want you to observe and soak up this energy radiating from the woman in the mirror. Look deep into her eyes. Watch her skin glow, her smile, her hair blowing in the wind, her collarbones glistening in the light, what she's wearing, how she's standing, how she's composing herself. Just observe that. And maybe step forwards towards the mirror. And touch her in this reflection. See if you can feel her hand. What does it feel like? And if it feels safe for you, see what it feels like to step into her right now as you embody her every emotion, her energy, her joy, her peace, the love. Knowing that if it ever feels unsafe or hard for you, or there's resistance to this, you can always come back to the safe place of the green fields you were at earlier. When you're ready to carry on, step out on the other side of the mirror, on the side to find yourself in the surroundings of the new you. Look around you. Observe where you are. Observe how this makes you feel. Observe the qualities of abundance, freedom, love, appreciation for the life that you are currently experiencing. Enjoy the colors, the smells, the tastes of this vision. We are going to turn up the volume now of this vision. So listen in as we turn up the volume. Now we're going to turn up the clarity and the vividness of what you can see right now as you begin to see the colors become even more vivid in what you can see right now. This life you're experiencing right now already exists as a timeline you can choose to step into. You just have to observe closely. What is different in this version of you compared to what has held you back so far from it? What has changed in you so you could embody the version of yourself right now? Give yourself a moment to receive this guidance from this higher version of you. What is she telling you? Take note of this without any judgment. I want you to hold whatever guidance you have just received in your left hand. And in your right hand, hold the new version of yourself. Now I want you to feel into both parts as if you were their parent. And as a loving parent, love both of these parts of yourself with unconditional love. You can place both of your hands towards your chest and see what this feels like. What emotions, sensations are running through your body right now. And know that whatever is going on is just perfect. As you hold both of these parts with love and compassion within your heart space, observe any resistance and without any judgment, create space for it. Make a loud declaration right now, out loud. I am willing to accept both of these parts of me. I accept my potential as unlimited. My heart is always open to generating and receiving love. I am aligned with my inner guidance, and so I give myself permission to accept the path of the highest version of me. I am ready to step into my throne. I am ready to embody my worth. I am ready to step into a timeline of infinite possibility that serves my highest purpose. Take a deep breath in. Raise your arms up above your head. And as you exhale, say yes. And bring the hands and your arms back down towards your ribcage. And again, raise your arms up above your head. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. Inhale. Activate your body. Activate your mind. Activate this declaration. As you exhale, say yes out loud. Yes. 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 And one more. Yes. Generate this in your heart space. Enjoy the energy moving through your body right now. As you can feel it in your whole body. With a smile on your face. Embody this moment. Feel the space expanding around you. And in your own time, when you're ready, you can begin to come back into this moment, come back into the present moment. With the memory, with the code of the new version of you inside your heart space. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.